Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today we're painting the jambs on the 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400. Do the jambs on both doors and the trunk, and get the back side of the trunk done lit as well. That's what we're doing today on our first video for 2026. Happy New Year, everyone. So with that, I'm going to shut up and get to wrenching on this week's episode, Firebird Friday. Update here. We went ahead and did a primer sealer over the whole thing, and now we're going to come back in. We're going to hit those door jambs. You can see I've masked everything off. Got to fix a few little things, but we are ready to shoot color on the bird itself. And there's the trunk lid. We're all ready for that as well. So let's get this camera in a holder and a tripod. Let's mix up some chemicals and let's do this. Oh, and by the way, it is in the garage on January 1, 82 degrees and 40% humidity. Little high in humidity, but it's been raining out there, but we're not going to let that bother us. We're going to mix some paint and get to painting. All right, compressor's off. You can probably hear me now. We've got all that mixed up. I'll take you down there. We'll get this port in, but first we need a filter. That's almost a full cup. Okay, I'm going to put you guys over there somewhere, and I'll dial the gun in and put the mask on, and we'll start shooting some jams. All right, we're done painting. What an ordeal that was. It was actually kind of fun, kind of cool. Let's dig in and see what we got done. We're going to let this sit for a little bit, and then this weekend, we're painting the whole damn bird. Let's go look. All right, so we got those jams. I think those turned out pretty good, and you're not hardly going to see any of that. Come in here. We've got that upper part of the door. Inside the door jamb, around there, got there, that's good. we got up into here. Looking good. And that there's on the passenger side. Let's go look at the driver's side. All right, so on the driver's side, as you can see, that looks pretty darn good. And then got in there, got in that jam, all the way around. Of course, right up in there, we got all that done. And also to the trunk. So as you can see here, went ahead and got in and around, made sure everything was looking good. I think we're looking pretty good to paint this whole car. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's Firebird Friday. We got the door jams all painted. We got the trunk jam painted and the back side of the trunk lid. So now we're going to let this sit for a couple days. And I think on maybe Saturday or Sunday, we go ahead and prep the whole entire car and we finish this car off so we can make sure that this car is completely ready to rock and roll to Firebird Fest in St. Louis in May. If you're not signed up already, there's a link down below. You can find yourself registering yourself on their website so you can meet us. I think Louis is going to be there. Jonathan's going to be there. You'll meet the whole crew if you come to St. Louis for Firebird Fest in May. So with that, guys, have a great weekend. Make sure to watch tonight's live, 7 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Arizona time. Louis, Mike, John, and myself, we're getting together. We're getting back on track. So make sure you join us tonight for a live. Bring your questions. Ask anything you need from us, and we'll do our best to help you restore your first generation Firebird or Camaro. So guys, I'll see you tonight. Have a good one.